is Fun World. Hello kids, let's learn spoken English together. Repeat after me. Do it. Do it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Take a bite. Take a bite. Never mind. Never mind. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Stand still. Stand still. Don't move. Don't move. Take it. Take it. Be careful. Be careful. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. What happened? What happened? Go and play. Go and play. Say goodbye, teacher. Say goodbye, teacher. Clean it. Clean it. Anything else? Anything else? Nothing else. Nothing else. Taste it. Taste it. Give me. Give me. Show me. Show me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Something special. Something special. Come in. Come in. Write down. Write down. Have patience. Have patience. I am angry. I am angry. Are you sick? Are you sick? Get ready. Get ready. Good job, kids. Thanks for watching. Bye, bye. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.